Okay, now we go on to third passage. Reading passage 3, Alfred Wegener. Alfred Wegener. Huh? Science, Exploration, and the Theory of Continental Drift by Mott T. Green. Now, what's the title? Alfred Wegener may be the name of a scientist, and then the science, exploration, and the theory. And if you read introduction, this is a book about the life and scientific work of Alfred Wegener. What does it mean? This is the book review. Passage 3 is a book review, and what's the name of the book? Alfred Wegener, Science, Exploration, and Theory of Continental Drift. Okay, so we are going to read a book review. And this book review has been written by M-O-T-T Mott T. Green. Please correct the spelling of Mott. It's M-O-T-T-O-O. O2. Okay, question number 27 to 30. Yes, no, not given. Should we start from there? Question number 31 to 36. Complete the summary. But now complete the summary using the list of phrases A to J. Okay, so it's summary completion with the box. And you have to pick up the word from the first. You will find the word in the passage. Then you will find the synonym of that word in the box. And then you will write it there. Okay. And questions 37 to 40. Multiple choice questions. So where should we start from? Good. Let's start from complete the summary using the list of phrases. Okay. Wegener's life and work. One of the remarkable things about Wegener from a dash is that although he proposed a theory of continental drift, he was not a geologist. One of the remarkable things about Wegener from a dash is that, although he proposed a theory of continental drift, he was not a geologist. Now, what is continental drift? Actually, he presented a theory that all the continents in the world, Asia, Europe, America, they travel. They move. They are on rotation. Okay? So that was his theory. So one of the remarkable things about Wegener's from a dash is that. Now let's go back. It's which paragraph? Okay, it's not the first paragraph. It's not the second paragraph. It is the third paragraph. And luckily, you will find all the answers in third paragraph. So isn't it amazing? One paragraph and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 answers. Okay? So you should do it all in 6 minutes. All right. Now, when I started, what do you mean by I? Writer. I means Motu T. Green. Mott T. Green. Okay? When I started writing about Wegener's life and work, one of the most intriguing things about him, for me, for who? For the writer. And then writer is saying one of the intriguing thing for me was that although he came up with a theory on continental drift, he was not a geologist. So from writer's point of view, he was surprised, he was like intrigued when he started writing about Wegener's life and work. So one of the most intriguing thing was about him for me that he was not a geologist, still he presented this theory. Now come back. Option A, modest fame. Option B, vast range. Option C, record-breaking achievement. Option D, research method. Option E, select group. Option F, professional interest. Option G, scientific debate. Option H, hazardous exploration. Option I, biographers. Perspective. And for that he used the word I. Then he used the word for me. I and for me. What does it mean? Biographers, perspective. Now read this sentence. One of the remarkable things about Wegener from a biographer's perspective is that. So for I and my, the word is biographer's perspective. What will be the answer? I. Well done. Okay, let's go on. Question number 2. His dash. His means Wegener. Okay. His dash were limited to atmospheric physics. Now let's go back. Clue word is atmospheric physics. So, third line, well done. He trained as an astronomer and pursued a career in atmospheric physics. Now listen, look for a synonym of pursued a career. Pursued a career. Look for a synonym for that. Pursued a career. Pursued a career. Well done. Pursued a career means professional interests. Well done. So correct answer for question number 32 is F. Okay, however, at the time he proposed his theory of continental drift in 1912, he was already a person of dash. He was already a person of 1912. Can you see? Okay, I'm reading from 1912. When he proposed the theory of continental displacements in 1912, he was a lecturer in physics and astronomy at the University of Marburg in South Germany. However, he was not an unknown. He was not an unknown. He was not an unknown means he was a little popular. What does it mean? Absolutely. He was not an unknown means he had modest fame. Modest fame means some people knew him. Modest fame. So correct answer for question number 33 is A. 6 years previously, from 1912, 6 years previously, what does it mean? 1906. 6 years previously, there had been his dash of 52-hour in a hot air balloon. What was 52-hour hot air balloon? Okay, I'm reading from in 1906. In 1906, he had set a world record for time aloft in a hot air balloon. So what was that? Set a world record. Which option? Record breaking achievement. Set a world record and record breaking achievement. Question number 34, answer is C. Okay. Question number 35, followed by his well publicized but dash of Greenland's coast. Dash of well publicized but dash of Greenland coast. Same paragraph? Good. I'm reading after 52 hours. Between 1906 and 1908, he had taken part in highly publicized and extremely dangerous expedition. Well done. Extremely dangerous, and for that word is hazardous exploration. And what is the word for exploration? Expedition. And what is the word for hazardous? Dangerous. Well done. So answer is H. With the publication of his textbook on thermodynamics, he had also come to the attention of a dash of German scientists, something related to German scientists. For example, group of German scientists and all that. Same paragraph, third last line. He had also made a name. Found it? Okay, let's read it together. He had also made a name for himself amongst a small circle of meteorologists and atmospheric physicists in Germany as the author of a textbook. Okay, he had also made a name for himself among a small circle of meteorologists and atmospheric physicists. J, small circle of. Narrow investigation? No. Small circle of. F? Okay. All right. Correct answer is select group. For select group, they use the word small circle of meteorologists and atmospheric physicists. Small circle means a select group. So correct answer is E. Attention of select group. What is select group? Small circle of meteorologists and all that. So 36, correct answer is E.